Hi, my name is 𝙍𝙀𝘽𝙇𝙐𝙬 and I'm president of Avistone. We started Avistone in 2013 because we saw a once-in-a-decade opportunity to buy commercial real estate properties as the market was recovering from the Great Recession. Our basic premise was, and still is, to deliver high returns to investors by investing where opportunities exist. First and foremost, Avistone is staffed by a team of professionals with years of experience gained at leading Wall Street firms, commercial banks, private equity companies, as well as legal and accounting firms. We focus on specific asset classes that we believe will deliver favorable risk-adjusted returns. We maintain strict discipline in adhering to our objectives and underwriting standards. We sell opportunistically when our investments are fully valued and have achieved their objectives. Once properties are stabilized, we pay our investors monthly cash distributions. We mitigate risk by investing in properties below replacement cost in strong metropolitan and compelling markets. We generate capital appreciation by increasing each property's net operating income. We provide inflation protection by investing in properties where, in the case of hotels, room rates can be increased on a daily basis, or in the case of industrial properties, where short-term leases can reprice every 3 to 5 years. We started investing in the multi-tenant industrial market 9 years ago, and at that time, this was a very out-of-favor asset class. But we saw companies in e-commerce, last-mile distribution, 3D manufacturing, robotics, medical testing that were moving into these properties. To date, we've purchased 24 flex industrial projects with a total of 4 million square feet of space and have now sold all but one at very attractive profits to our investors. Today, we believe the hotel market is just starting to emerge from the COVID pandemic, and we believe this is the time to be fully invested in hospitality. We also believe high prices for existing industrial properties may favor the development of cutting-edge industrial projects, which we are now exploring. We've acquired 26 industrial and hotel projects with over 4 million square feet of space. We have now sold 23 of these properties. Our investors have received an average annualized total return of over 16% and an average cash distribution yield of over 7.3%. We have grown Avistone organically where we invest our own capital alongside our investors in every property that we buy. And importantly, we personally execute each property's loan documents for the benefit of our investors. At every stage of development, our interests are aligned with our investors. We only share in profits once our investors receive back all their original capital and are paid an annual preferred return. Avistone's core values are: our reputation is the foundation of our success. Integrity defines us. Our most valuable asset is our people. Exceeding our clients' expectations is our passion, and our investors, hotel guests, and tenants create our worth.
Are you interested in real estate investment funds that generate income and capital appreciation? Contact us to learn more about our strategic investment funds.